Delays are one of the most frustrating and costly problems in commercial solar projects. They stall construction, inflate budgets, and cause ripple effects that can derail timelines and investor confidence. One of the biggest causes? A breakdown in communication between the developer and the engineer. As Marvin Hammond, Senior Electrical Engineering Manager at Pure Power puts it, not having specific information and having to keep digging for it can delay a project by weeks or even months. To move a solar plus storage project forward, engineers need accurate technical inputs from the developer. But in the commercial and industrial space, many clients simply don't realize how critical that information is or how early it's needed. They often want to sign a contract, step back, and see a finished system go live. That's where the delay starts. At Pure Power Engineering, we've seen this challenge across hundreds of projects. So we've developed a process to help developers and EPCs streamline the flow of information. We break it down into three main categories: utility contribution data, civil cornerstones, and equipment specifications. Let's start with utility contribution data. This is essential for system design. It includes fault current contribution, system impedance, service voltage, and transformer ratings. All of these values affect the sizing and electrical equipment and the selection of components. Without them, engineering can't begin. The good news? You don't need to navigate this alone. A developer or engineer can prepare a utility request letter to streamline the process and make sure nothing is missed. Next, civil cornerstones. Think of canopies, rooftop equipment, or foundation types. Engineers need to know the structural details early, including the grounding system, mounting system, and the type of foundation being used. If the structural team does not share that information in time, the electrical design can't move forward. The sooner the engineering teams are aligned, the faster the system can be finalized. That's why combining structural and electrical design under one roof, like we do at Pure Power, makes all the difference. Third, equipment specifications. Developers often know which modules, inverters, or racking systems they want, but projects get delayed because of missing data on switchboards, circuit breakers, fuses, or even power panels. It's not just about availability, it's about compatibility. If developers purchase equipment without engineering approval, they risk buying something that doesn't meet the project's electrical and code requirements. And that could mean reordering, redesigning, or even re-permitting. Bridging the information gap early on is what keeps your project on time and on budget. When engineers have complete data, they can design systems that are safe, code compliant, and constructible. Every delay in design ripples downstream into procurement, installation, and commissioning. At Pure Power Engineering, we help developers and EPCs streamline technical communication and accelerate timelines, avoid rework, prevent procurement mistakes, and design with confidence, starting on day one.